Freelancing or a traditional 9-to-5 job, which one is better in 2025? If you're confused about what path to take, this video will give you a clear and honest comparison: income, freedom, stress, growth, and everything in between. By the end, you'll know which one fits your lifestyle and goals. Freedom and flexibility. Cut to visual: freelancer working from a beach home vs employee stuck in traffic. In a traditional job, your time is fixed. You wake up, commute, work under a boss, and follow a set schedule, usually 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or longer. Freelancing, on the other hand, gives you complete control. You decide when to work, where to work from, and how much to work. More freedom, but requires self-discipline. Freelancing wins in freedom if you're self-motivated. Income potential. Visual: side-by-side comparison of salary slip vs Upwork Fiverr payments. In a job, your salary is fixed. Whether you work hard or not, you earn the same every month. In freelancing, your income depends on the value you deliver, which means no limits. You could earn 50 one month and 5,000 the next. But starting out can be slow. Verdict: freelancing has higher income potential, but a job is more predictable. One of the biggest pros of a job is financial security. You receive a paycheck every month, along with possible benefits like insurance, bonuses, or paid leave. In freelancing, your income depends on clients. If clients stop coming, your income stops too. Jobs are more secure. Freelancing gives freedom but carries risk. Growth opportunities. Visual: office promotions vs freelancer learning multiple skills. In a job, growth often depends on promotions, internal politics, or company performance. Freelancers, however, work with multiple clients across industries, learning new skills fast, adapting quickly, and growing on their own terms. Freelancing offers faster skill growth. Jobs may offer a more structured path. Jobs can be stressful due to deadlines, office politics, and pressure from bosses. But freelancing isn't stress-free either. Client revisions, late payments, or inconsistent workload can be tough too. The difference is, with freelancing, you can often control your workload. Verdict: both have stress, but freelancing gives more control over how much. What should you choose? If you prefer monthly stability, a clear routine, and working in a structured environment, a job might suit you better. But if you value freedom, flexible hours, and want to build your own path, freelancing could be the way forward. So, freelancing or job, it really depends on your personality, goals, and lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Earnify Hacks, and hit the bell icon for weekly guides on freelancing, earning apps, and online income strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.